Hello young guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your computer if you can't download program and application. So very easy guys, firstly click on start and type here internet option. Click on internet option and here option delete browser history on exit. Click on settings. Here C folder, so click on start, type here file explorer, open file explorer. Here you will see option. After click on move folder and select as you like when download. After click on OK. Other way guys, click on open Chrome browser. After click on three dots, click on settings, click on advanced, click on download. Here option change as you like, select, click on select folder, next. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix your computer if you can download program and application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.